You go out to your mailbox and it got hit by a car. What do? You're in a pinch. Well, I don't feel like running to my shop and busting out the TIG welder, so I'm just going to hit it up with some super glue and baking soda. All you're going to do is take the super glue and just douse it in the crack. You want to make sure you can form it where it sticks together. So right here we'll just fill it up real good. And then we'll take some baking soda. Now make sure it's real close. And as you can see, it forms an instant joint, and that is rock hard, trust me. We're going to do it to this right here. There we go. Next area there. And there you have it. We'll do the other side. Should be good to go. The other side out. Alright, we'll just put some more super glue in there. Fill it up real good. Hit it with some baking soda. There you have it. I just cleaned it off real quick with a wire brush. And as you can see, I'll even hit it at an angle. That's concrete.